Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the value of x over y when log to base 3 of x minus 2y divided by log to base 3 of x plus log to base 3 of y is equal to half. Now, to solve this problem, we are going to start by getting rid of these two fractions on both sides of this equation. And of course, to do that, we cross multiply. So we have that 2 times this, that is 2 times log to base 3 of x minus 2y is equal to 1 times this. So here we have log to base 3 of x plus log to base 3 of y. Now, to simplify this equation, what we are going to do is that we will apply the power rule to this left-hand side. We are going to take up 2, that is this multiplier, to become the exponent of x minus 2y. When we do that, we have log to base 3 of x minus 2y squared. And then on the right-hand side, let us remember that log A plus log B is equal to log A times B. So log to base 3 of x plus log to base 3 of y is equal to log to base 3 of x times y. Now look at the two sides of this equation. When we compare, we have log to base 3 of x minus 2y squared, and we have log to base 3 of xy. So that simply means that x minus 2y squared is equal to xy. Now let us expand this bracket. We have x squared. 2 times x times minus 2y. That is going to give us minus 4xy. Then we have minus 2y squared. That is going to give us plus 4y squared. And of course, this is equal to x times y. Now let us subtract this term from both sides of the equation. When we do that, we have x squared minus 4xy minus xy plus 4y squared is equal to 0. Minus 4xy minus xy is equal to minus 5xy. So here we have x squared minus 5xy plus 4y squared is equal to 0. Now, the next thing we are going to do is that we will divide through this equation by y squared. Now, here we have x squared over y squared minus 5xy divided by y squared. This is going to take one of that, leaving us with 5x over y. Then we have 4y squared divided by y squared. Of course, this is going to cancel that, leaving us with 4. And this is equal to 0. Now let us do a substitution. Let x over y be equal to the letter d. With this substitution, this equation can now be written as d squared minus 5d plus 4 is equal to 0. And we can solve this quadratic equation by factorization. All we have to do is to find the factors of 4 that add up to minus 5. Those are going to be minus 1 and minus 4, because minus 1 times minus 4 is going to give us plus 4. Minus 1 added to minus 4 is going to give us minus 5. So when we factorize this left-hand side, we have d minus 1 multiplied by d minus 4 is equal to 0. And of course, from here we have that d minus 1 is equal to 0, or d minus 4 is equal to 0. And when we add 1 to both sides of this equation, we have that d is equal to 1. In the same way, when we add 4 to both sides of this equation, we have that d is equal to 4. And of course, since d is equal to x over y, we have that x over y is equal to 1, or x over y is equal to 4. Now, which one is the correct answer? Let us go back to the original equation. From this term, we have that x must be greater than 0. From this term, we have that y must be greater than 0. And from this term, we have that x minus 2y must be greater than 0. Now, when we add 2y to both sides of this inequality, we have that x must be greater than 2y. And when we divide both sides of this inequality by y, we have that x over y must be greater than 2. So now you can see that this value of x over y is not acceptable. The only value of x over y that satisfies this equation is this. Now, if you want to check to make sure that this ratio actually satisfies this logarithmic equation, what you do is, first of all, you cross multiply. When you do that, you have that x is equal to 4y. Then you come over to this equation. Wherever we have x, we replace with 4y. So here we have log to base 3 of 4y minus 2y divided by log to base 3 of 4y plus log to base 3 of y. 4y minus 2y is equal to 2y. So in the numerator, we have log to base 3 of 2y. And in the denominator, to add these two logarithms, of course, you know that we are going to have log to base 3 of 4y times y, which is 4y squared. So here we have log to base 3 of 4y squared. Now this can be written as log to base 3 of 2y divided by log to base 3 of 2y squared. Because of course you know that when we get rid of this bracket, we have 2 squared, which is 4, and y squared, which is this. Now, the last thing we are going to do is that we will apply the power rule to this denominator. We are going to bring down 2, that is the exponent of 2y, to the front of this log term to become a multiplier. When we do that, this becomes log to base 3 of 2y divided by 2 times log to base 3 of 2y. Now you can see that we have log to base 3 of 2y and log to base 3 of 2y. So this is going to cancel that, leaving us with half, which is exactly what we have on the right hand side of this equation. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a thumbs up to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more videos here.